Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to go over the must-do deals for CVS next week. These are going to start on Sunday the 3rd and go through Saturday, October 9th. Can't believe it's already October. I'm super excited. Halloween is in October. It starts getting colder, hopefully, fingers crossed, in Florida. So I'm also going to be showing you how you can grab 16 products for a final out-of-pocket cost for just $14.45. So those 16 products will be able to set you up for quite a while. So if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That way, when I post new videos, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of the deals as well. All the deals in the sales week only last for 7 days, so you want to make sure that you don't miss out. There are some easy freebies as well, and I'm going to be going over a couple updates and giveaways that I have going on, so definitely stay tuned. This video is also sponsored by Rebate Key, so I want to pop over to the website real quick and show you how to use it and some amazing Halloween products, earrings. If you've been following me for a while, you know how much I love wearing really cool festive earrings. And a lot of you have been commenting on my earrings recently that I've been wearing for Halloween. So let me show you how you can grab some super cheap ones for $1.99 on Amazon with Rebate Key. So the link below in the description box, you can get signed up. It's completely free. You make a free account. So let's pop over to the website. Okay, so we are on Rebate Key right now. So what I did is I typed in Halloween here at the top. As you can see, they have a ton of Halloween products, decorations, you name it, and look how cheap they are. 80% off of these earrings. They also have some nail kits and stickers for 50% off. These earrings are super cute. There's only one left, so let's see if I can grab it. You're going to click Start Treasure Hunt if that's what it shows. Then you're just going to follow the directions. It's going to take you over to Amazon. You're going to type in cobweb earrings. Then when you purchase it, you are going to only do one rebate per transaction, like per purchase, because they all have to have their own individual order numbers. Then when you enter it back in on Rebate Key, in 35 days, you will get your cash back. As you can see in the top right corner, I have $147 pending. I use Rebate Key constantly. I've never had any issues, and I've gotten so many cool things. Gotten a couple things for Halloween already, and I'm about to buy these earrings also. So if you want to check it out, definitely recommend it. The link is below in the description box. So now let's pop back into the CVS must-do deals for next week. Okay, so next week I have my beginners couponing class if you guys want to sign up for that. Every other week I alternate for beginners class and then an advanced class. If you want to know exactly what's covered in both, head over to my website, breecouponqueen.com. Go to shop at the top. It has my free masterclass. The new CVS couponing course is there. All of my classes, products, everything there. So just click on it and it'll tell you exactly what is included, what topics I go over in each class. I also have a giveaway going on right now that I posted in my Sunday CVS haul video from this week. One winner is going to win a spot in my CVS couponing course. So if you haven't checked out that video yet and entered, definitely do so. The enrollment for the pre-launch and the savings for the CVS couponing course does end on Sunday. So if you guys do want to get in on the CVS couponing course, make sure you guys enroll soon. That way you can save 40%. I am going live every day still this week on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So I'm streaming on all the platforms at one time. Thursday, today, I'll be live at 5:30 Eastern Time. And Friday, we are finishing it off at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So I look forward to having you guys. If you're able to come to the lives, I always have a good time chatting with you guys, answering your questions. We're going to be going over different topics every day as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And coupon inserts, I always like to let you guys know what is coming. So we have 2 inserts coming on Sunday. One, SS, stands for Smart Source, and one Save insert. BQ has them on her website as always. I ordered a 4-pack because we are getting some really good coupons. We're getting CoverGirl, Colgate, we're getting Ensure coupons, Jergens coupons, you name it. So if you want to order, you can order from BQ. You can also order from Sunday coupon inserts. I've used both of those before. Keep in mind though, Sunday coupon inserts is cheaper, but the shipping takes a lot longer. So you can choose what shipping you want. So both of my referral codes are right there to save you guys on your first orders as well. If you want to order, a lot of you still ask why I order online. What's the benefit of ordering them online? Not every region gets every insert. So not every region is going to get the save insert. And there's usually a lot of great coupons in that insert. That's why I order online. Also, not every region gets every coupon in the insert. So it depends on your zip code as far as what coupons you get, what ads you get in your paper, so on and so forth. So to ensure I get all the coupons that I need and all the highest value coupons, I order online. And yes, it always pays for itself every single week when I order them online. So now let's dive into the deals for next week. Maybelline is buy two, get a $5 extra buck. And this is a deal everyone can do. So we are all getting a $3 coupon next week in the Extra Care Center. It will be available on the CVS app as well. The current week, right now, check your CVS account, send it to the card, or print it at the red box. We all got a buy two, get one free Maybelline Face Instant coupon. So you can stack the one from last week with the one from next week. And what you can do is grab 3 of the Maybelline face products. The Fit Me Blush is the cheapest product at $5.99. Then using the buy two, get one free and the $3 instant coupon, you'll pay just $8.98. You'll get back a $5 extra buck, making it $3.98 for 3 products or $1.32 each. I personally use the Fit Me Blush. I think they work great. If you're putting together any little like beauty gift baskets or anything for Christmas, always good to throw in a blush and you can do it super cheap. This also tracks towards CVS Beauty as well. Now, I wanted to put this deal in here because it is a big deal. So a lot of people get really intimidated by it. Next week, we are all getting an instant coupon for $15 off when you spend $60 on any of the products included. So this is going to be a spend amount CRT. So this is one example of what you can do. You can grab 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive, they'll be regular priced. And when you buy 2, you'll get a $4 extra buck. 3 of the Pantene that are 3 for $12. Tresemme is buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. And they're 2 for $9, so grab 2 of those. Then you can grab 4 of the Love Beauty Planet shampoo and conditioners for $8.99 each. That'll bring your total to $66.94. So we're over $60 in product value, so we can use that spend instant coupon that we're getting next week. So it is a spend amount, so you cannot combine it with like 5 off 25 hair care or 2 off 6 Suave or 5 off 20 Love Beauty Planet. You cannot combine any of them because this is a spend amount CRT. So if you printed the 3 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive previously, you can use that. That one doesn't expire until 10/16. So that's why every Sunday when I post new printable coupons, you always want to make sure that you print them immediately because some of them last 2, 3, 4 weeks. You never know when you're going to need them. Hair care coupons, I always print them because we always have deals on hair care that we can do. We're getting a 4 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. You can use 2 of the buy one, get one free Love, Beauty, and Planet coupons. I just ordered 4 more of those coupons from thecouponmarketplace.com. They still have them available on their website. They're 30 cents a piece for the coupons. So I grabbed 4, cost me 90 cents, and I'll be able to save $18 next week. So again, totally worth it to buy coupons. Then you can use a 5 off 3 Pantene from the October PG, and typically a 5 off 3 Pantene digital will glitch. So I'll let you guys know on Sunday if it does. Okay, here is the final breakdown now for this big deal. So you have to have all of these in one transaction. So keep that in mind as well because you're using that spend CRT. So you have to do this hair care deal all in one transaction. Coupons, we have $49.98. We're gonna pay just $16.96 plus taxes out of pocket. If you have extra bucks or beauty bucks to use, definitely do so. Check your accounts. I posted on my Instagram. If you guys took advantage of the beauty deals that were going on the last couple weeks for spend 30, get 10, or spend 40, get 15, or whatever those were, you got a surprise on your CVS account. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys got. I got an additional $20 extra buck, which is incredible. So you can use those extra bucks towards deals like this to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're gonna get back a $4 extra buck for the L'Oreal, $2 extra buck for the Tresemme, and you're spending over $60 in beauty products in this deal alone. So you're gonna get another $6 beauty buck on your account 48 hours after you check out. So now your final cost is $4.96 plus taxes for 11 products. That makes them 45 cents each, which is amazing. Now stay tuned. I do have 2 transactions as always. I do it every week in my must do deals videos. 2 transactions at the end that you can do to get these products included for a super low out of pocket cash cost. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Here's an easy freebie. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. Limit on this is 2. You're gonna grab 2 that are 2 for $7.98. We do have 2 off 2 coupons. It shows right in the weekly ad. Those are coming in our Smart Source on Sunday. If you have a 2 off 6 oral care or Colgate CRT, add that in. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $4 extra buck, makes them both completely free. You should never really be paying for toothpaste. We get free toothpaste constantly. The current week, we have free toothpaste at Walgreens. We have free Colgate at CVS this current week with a digital coupon. Next week, more free Colgate. I mean, you name it. Once you start couponing, you should have so much Colgate, it should be coming out of your ears. So you should never be paying for toothpaste. Okay, wanted to throw this deal in there. I try to add in some different deals so it's not always oral care, hair care, makeup, things like that. So Ensure is gonna be buy 3, get a $7 extra buck. So you're gonna grab 4 of them. They're $9.49 each. And you can use 2 of the 5 off 2 coupons we're getting in our 10-3 insert. Check your account for a 5 off 20 Ensure CRT. You'll pay $22.96. Then you're gonna get back a $7 extra buck, makes it $3.99 a pack, which is an incredible deal, especially if you need these or you drink these to go from $9.49 to $3.99. It's more than a 50% savings. So I would definitely say that is an amazing price if this is a product that you need. Here is another big scenario that you can do. I keep getting 5 off 25 Colgate CRTs. So if you're getting those CRTs as well, here is a way you can do it next week. Grab 2 of the Colgate that I just showed you that deal, 2 for $7.98. There's a separate deal, 2 different types of toothpaste for $4.99 each. And Colgate mouthwash is for $4.49 each next week. So we're gonna use a $2 Colgate digital coupon that shows right in the ad that we're getting one. The 2 off 2 Colgate from the Smart Source. And we're getting $1 off 1 Colgate mouthwash coupons as well, so use 2 of those. Then use the 5 off 25 Colgate CRT. So here is the product total. We have $11 in coupons. You'll pay $15.94. You're gonna get back a $5 extra buck for the 2 toothpaste that are $4.99, $4 extra buck for the 2 toothpaste that are $7.98, and a $5 extra buck for buying 2 mouthwash. Now your final cost is $1.94 for all 6 products, or 32 cents each, which is a great, great deal, okay? So always a way to stock up on oral care for sure. Now let's get into the transaction examples. Transaction 1, what you can do is the Colgate deal, 2 for $7.98, and the Maybelline Face Deal. That is an extremely beginner-friendly deal, okay? Total is $25.95 in product. Then our coupons are $12.99. You're going to pay $12.96 plus taxes out of pocket. But what I recommend, buy 2 separate $10 gift cards if you have vouchers available. If you're new to Fluce, you can sign up with my code BREECouponQueen21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. You can use those vouchers at CVS. So when you buy a $10 gift card, you'll get back $3.75. So when you open Fluce and get enrolled, this is what it looks like. You're going to search for CVS, click on the store, then you're going to click $10 for the gift card. At the top, you can see you'll get back $3.75 for buying a $10 gift card. So you're going to do it twice, okay? They're digital gift cards. So the second you buy it, you get the $3.75 on your account. Then you can use them to lower or to cover the cost of your transactions, okay? If you need to know how to get more Fluce vouchers, how to use Fluce, I do have videos that I'll link at the end that you guys can watch to help you with that, okay? So then you're going to get back a $4 extra buck and a $5 extra buck. So they're going to scan the barcode right from your phone. Make sure they click gift card on their side first. That'll cover the first one. Open up the second gift card. That'll cover the rest of the first transaction. And you'll still have some left over on your gift card. Now you can do that big hair care deal. So you would pay $16.96 plus tax out of pocket. But we got $9 in extra bucks from our first transaction. Give that to the cashier. They're going to scan it. Now you're paying $7.96 plus taxes out of pocket. You're going to use that same second Fluce gift card. You'll probably have about $1 plus tax left over. You can either pay that with cash, credit, debit, or grab a third gift card if you want. Then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck, a $4 extra buck, and a $6 beauty buck on your account when you check out, okay? So here is the final cash breakdown. You paid $20 for 2 $10 gift cards. You also paid $1 roughly plus tax out of pocket. Then you got back $7.50 on your Fluce account for buying both gift cards. Now your final cost is $14.45, including taxes, for 16 products, about 90 cents per product, and that's cash cost. So you're getting makeup, you're getting hair care, you're getting oral care for less than $1 a piece, which is definitely stock up price. You're also going to have $6 in extra bucks and $6 in beauty bucks, which are pretty much the same thing. It's still CVS cash, available for your next transaction, whether you use that the next day, next week, whatever. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below, let me know. Don't forget that free masterclass that I did live 2 days ago. If you missed it or if you signed up and you missed the live, anyone can still watch the replay. Link below for that is in the description box so you can sign up. See how you can lower your out-of-pocket cost immediately when you're couponing at CVS. You guys know CVS is my favorite store to coupon at, so definitely check out that free masterclass if you haven't yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.